Class ninth Mathematics, Chapter 4, Lines and Angles. Page number 80. Do this. Classify the given angles as pair of complementary or linear pair or vertically opposite and edge and angles. Okay. Uh, in figure 1, angle A plus B equal to 180 degrees, and angle A plus B are angle A, angle B are edge and angles. Okay, common vertex, corner, common arm. Okay, angle A and B are edge and angles, and angle A plus B are equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Angle in diagram in figure 2, angle A, angle B are the edges and angles. So a common vertex and a common arm. Okay, angle A, angle B are the edges and angles. Okay, next in diagram 3, angle A plus angle B are equal to 9 degrees. The pair of angle A, angle B are complementary angles. Okay, to angle A plus angle B equal to 9 degrees, pair of angles equal 90 degrees, so that angle A, angle B are the complementary angles. So angle in diagram 4, angle A, angle B are vertically opposite angles. First one, solution. In figure 1, A and B are a linear pair. In figure 1, A and B are a linear pair of angles. Okay, linear pair of angles. Pair of angles. In figure 2, A and B are adjacent angles. Okay, adjacent angles. Okay, in figure 3, A and the pair of angles A and B are complementary angles. Okay, complementary angles. Next, in figure 4, A and B are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Next, question number 2. Find the measure of angles A in each figure and give reason in each case. Okay. Diagram 1. 50 plus 50 plus A equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Find the A. Solution. Diagram 1. 50 plus A is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, 50 plus A is equal to 180 degrees. A is equal to 180 minus 50. A is equal to 130 degrees. Okay, figure 2. Okay, angle 43 and angle A are the vertically opposite angles. Therefore, A is equal to 43 degrees. Second one, A is equal to 43 degrees. Vertically opposite angles are diagram 3. A plus 209 plus 96 equal to complete angle equal to 360. Okay. Solution 3. A plus 209 plus 96 is equal to 360. Okay, complete angle equal to 360. 209 plus 96. 209 plus 96. 15, 10, 305. Okay, 305. A plus 305 is equal to 360. A is equal to 360 minus 305. A is equal to 55 degrees. Okay, next diagram figure 4. Okay, A plus 63 is equal to 9 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees. Find the angle A. Solution figure 4. A plus 63 is equal to 90. A is equal to 90 plus 63. Go to LHS to RHS, it becomes minus 63. 90 minus 63. A is equal to 90 minus 63. Okay, A is equal to 90 minus 63. Okay, 10 minus 3, 7. 8 minus 6, 2. Okay, is equal to 27 degrees. A is equal to 27 degrees. Next, page number 87. Page number 87. Do this. Page number 87. Do this. Find the measures of each of angle indicated in each figure where L and M are parallel lines and intersected by transversal N. Okay, find the measure of each angle. Okay, find the measure of each angle. L and M are parallel to and N is the transversal line. Find the angle of X. X is equal to 110 degrees. Okay, alternative exterior X and 110 alternative X and 110 are the alternative exterior angles. Alternative exterior angles are equal. Okay, in figure 1, X is equal to 110 degrees. Okay, alternative exterior angles are equal. Next, in figure 2, y is equal to 84 degrees. Alternative interior angles are equal. Okay, y is equal to 84 degrees. Diagram to y is equal to 84 degrees. Alternative interior. In diagram 3, interior angles of the same sides are transversal. Okay, Z plus 100 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, alternative interior angles of the same sides are transversals. Interior angles same sides are transversal. Third diagram, interior angles on the same side of transversal. Okay, of a transversal. Okay, Z plus 100 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, Z is equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degrees. Okay, Z is equal to 80 degrees. Next, diagram 4. S and 53 degrees are the S and 53 are the pair of corresponding angles. Okay, pair of corresponding angles are equal. Okay, S is equal to 53. Okay, S is equal to 53 degrees. Pair of corresponding angles are equal. Next, question number 2. If L is parallel to M, then solve for X and give reason. Okay, and give reason. If L is parallel to M, then solve for X and give reasons. Okay, 75 degrees and 11x plus 11x plus 2 11x plus 2 are the pair of corresponding angles. Okay, Solution. Second one, figure of corresponding angles are equal. Okay, 11x minus 2 is equal to 75 degrees. 11x is equal to 75 plus 2 is equal to 11x is equal to 77. X is equal to 77 by 11. 11 1 11 7 okay. X is equal to 7 degrees. X is equal to 7 degrees. Next diagram 2. Okay, 60 degrees and 8x minus 4 degrees are alternative interior angles. Okay, alternate interior angles are equal. Second one, diagram 2. Alternate interior angles are equal. 8x minus 4 is equal to 60. 8x minus 4 is equal to 60 degrees. 8x is equal to minus 4, go to LHS to RHS, it becomes plus 4. 8x is equal to 60 plus 4. 8x is equal to 64. X is equal to 64 by 8. Okay, 8 8 ja 64. Okay, x is equal to 8 degrees. Okay, x is equal to 8 degrees. Diagram 3. Alternate 11x minus 1 degrees and 12x plus 17 degrees are alternative exterior angles. Okay, alternative exterior angles are equal. Okay, L and M are the parallel lines and N is transverse line. Alternative exterior angles are equal. Okay, 14x minus 1 is equal to 12x plus 17 degrees. Solution. Diagram 3. 14x minus 1 14x minus 1 is equal to 12x 14x minus 1 is equal to 12x plus 17. 12x plus 17. Okay, 12x go to RHS to LHS, it becomes minus 12x, and minus 1 go to LHS to RHS, it becomes plus 1. Okay, 14x minus 12x is equal to 17 plus 1. Okay, 14 minus 12, 2x. 14x minus 12x is equal to 2x. 2x is equal to 17 plus 1, 18. Okay, therefore x is equal to 18 by 2. Okay, 2 9 ja 18. X is equal to 9 degrees. Okay, next diagram 4.